in your shoe, and then puts the acrylic finish on top. I had fun and had a great time, and I would recommend this if you want to challenge and learn about shoes and masculinity.
Be kind, considerate, patient and forgiving. Is to be mature as a person. And this program has been a great experience for learning and finding yourself.
Thank you guys. So, what I learned and what we learned in the university trip, we learned that you can be creative and you can be someone in the world, and we learned that you can improvise, be very good, and you can work with other people because we are the true honored people in the world, and to be a man is to be brave, not scared of anything. You also need to have patience and you need to care for the ladies. Be a gentleman. You have to be strong.
Careful.
You have to be strong to protect the ladies and everyone that you like. You have to just chill and laugh and be the master. You also have to be smart. And I just want to shout out to Marvin for teaching us all these things. And shout out to Sina for actually taking us in. And shout out to Miss Doherty.
My name is Catherine. So, over the past month, we've been talking about masculinity, customizing our shoes, but I want to start off with the important bit, masculinity. So I learned the fact is, doing something you like, you do it by your passion and love, and to be a man, you need responsibility, someone to look up to, so a father figure, and be non-abusive and be understand own up to your mistakes. Say if you say something out of turn, do something bad, just own up, say sorry to that person instead of not apologizing. So they don't think bad of you, and they think you're overall the right person.
Hello, my name is David, and I want to say that I learned a lot of things in this university trip. I learned how to mature myself and be a grip. I learned that I need to think about my future. I learned that I need to, if you want to become a man, you don't you can't be abusive and dumb.
I learned that, so I'm gonna tell you guys what I learned in this trip. Okay, right. So I learned doing something that you love or that what makes you happy. And who am I? I learned who am I truly, and to take responsibility for myself and my actions. And,